Hello, this is a short video review of Christian Louboutin loafers unboxing. So here we go. Ooh. Get rid of the dust bags, two of them. It's very nice. Here they are, the infamous red soles. It's got a nice piercing bar in the middle. Finishing stitching looks really nice. Look at that glorious red, beautiful lack of red. Oh, iconic. Show the quality inside it. Finishing. Really nice, stunning. Really nice finishing, quality's there, as you expect for a pair of £975 loafers. Show the other thing. Oh, look at the metal bar. It's coming out there. Again, the leather, beautifully done, and that beautiful red, it's glorious, iconic. I hope you guys like this short little video. Just let me know what you think. But yeah, these are some beautiful quality loafers made in Paddy, as you can tell. But yeah, stunning to say the least. I bought these for a wedding later on in the year. But look at that. I'm just going to show them off a bit. Oh, beautiful. Just tell me what you think. Thank you for checking out this short video. Have a lovely day. Take care.